For our practice session, I'll be using the test architecture, which is provided in the MongoDB documentation that we have seen previously. This is under shard cluster test architecture in the MongoDB documentation. We'll be using a single Mongoose, that is a router, a single config server, and 3 shards in our case. So a single router, single config server, and 3 shards. So totally 5 servers are involved in our test architecture. Sharding can be done in very simple 6 steps. The prerequisite is that we must have a data directories for the 4 servers. I mean the 3 shard servers and 1 config server. So the step 1 is to create instances of sharding servers which will be listening in different ports. Step 2 is to create config server. Step 3 is to create a query router and link to this config server. If you see our diagram which I have explained previously, the query router gets the data from config server, I mean the metadata from the config server about the data in the shards. So query router collects data from the config server about the shards. Then we'll be using the admin database to add these instances as shard instances, and we'll be enabling sharding on our database and the collection which is involved. Then we'll be using Mongoose to insert data. Finally, we'll be validating the data among the sharded instances. So the same steps are given in list format here. Create data directories for 3 shard servers and 1 config server. Start the shard servers on different ports. Start the config server. Using Mongoose, start the query router for the config server and specify the chunk size. Connect to the router. Use admin database. Add shards, enable sharding on the database and in collection, populate the data on the DB, insert the test data and validate the test data. So the same thing is mentioned here in simple format. Create directories, start sharding servers, start config server, start router server, add shards, enable sharding in the DB and collection. So the preview of the commands which we are going to execute is here. We'll be using mkdir to create directories. Then we'll be using mongod command to start Mongo instances, I mean the sharding instances in 3 different ports. You can see here. Then we'll be starting this config server. Note that we will be using the same mongod for the config server also. Just the option is different here and here. Here we mentioned this as shard server. Here we mentioned this as config server. And we'll be giving the DB path for that. The next step is to start the router. Router will be linked with this config server. So you can see the config server port used here, as well as the router will run in an independent port, that is 200,001. We'll be specifying the chunk size, data just chunk size. I'll be explaining this while we are in this step in detail. Then we'll be using the admin database, adding the shards, and we'll be enabling sharding in the database as well as in the collection. And finally, in the database, we'll be inserting the test data.